Hey people, so back in school, I studied at St. Anne's, Sikandrabad, and back in school, I had this classmate. Her name's Priyanka Agarwal, and we did our 11th and 12th together. You know, so it was like I remember her being very good at accounts and generally like all Marwadis are, they are brilliant at studies and especially with maths and numbers and all. So, except that that's what I remember thinking that she was the sort of person who would make sure to really like enjoy whatever she has with her, like in terms of uh, like in all my association with her in those 2 years that I knew her, I never saw her very I don't know, agitated or stressed and all, because and in fact I still remember she had mentioned that that time TV soaps was a big thing, right? So she almost had like the schedule that she would watch TV from like 7 in the evening to 10 in the night. So I remember thinking, oh my god, what is that schedule? It's like crazy, right? I mean, if you're watching TV so much. But now, I mean, all these years later, I realized that here is a person who kind of knew what it is to what what is required to succeed in life, as in whatever work you're doing, you give it your 100%, and then after that the time is yours to enjoy. Most of us don't do that. Yeah, we are like, पढ़ाई के वक्त we are thinking of something else, while watching something else we are thinking of पढ़ाई probably. And today, I mean, it's been 2 decades since I passed out of school, and in Dubai, this young lady, now she's married and she has 2 kids. She has she has two saloon, like a men's saloon, a women's saloon, and two restaurant chains like Gupshup restaurants and another one, Khao Gali Dubai or something. So, and at the same time, despite all this, now she puts up these really cute reels and all on Instagram to that's what, to be an influencer. Man, the girl is inspiring. So do check out her profile. Yeah, it's on Instagram. It's called Priyanka Agarwal Mandelia, and it's just a salute. I mean, the girl is she. I aspire to be someone like that, who is so sorted in her mind and who will achieve just what she is set her mind to. That is like the key to success. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.